Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. Today we're talking about how to transfer Gmail data to Outlook without errors. So before touching Outlook, we have the command to command Gmail's backend to allow extra data extraction. So log into your Gmail, then click the gear icon right over here in the top right, and then click See All Settings. Then go to this tab, Forwarding and POP, then scroll down to the IMAP Access Status block, which is going to be right here, this one, and click the radio button to toggle Enable IMAP On, and then hit Save Changes at the base of the page. Alright, and now we're going to Outlook, open it up. After that, just add an account and key in your primary Gmail address string and hit Connect. Outlook will launch a native Google Accounts login container window. Input your password, pass your standard two-factor authentication, and click Allow to authorize Microsoft Profile Sync. So that's how it's done, guys. Enjoy the guide. As always, if you like our videos, like and subscribe.